Wholeness and Balanced Vibrations Tribe, thank you for taking the time and the opportunity to take a look at this secret energy tutorial on affiliation and gamification where you can earn cash and ohms for mindfulness. First and foremost, we want to mention that Secret Energy is the only platform working on a circular economy, and this is to create a fluid and harmonic form of building wealth with all of our tribe members. So it's absolutely incredible to be doing these things in this time, and so we welcome you to jump in and actually begin to change your life with these sovereign tools. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First and foremost, you can actually purchase anything inside of our store with ohms. There's over 110 products. Many of them are unique. And so just know in earning ohms for mindfulness that you will be able to redeem your ohms in the store. You can also look at all of the ways that you can earn ohms. We'll go over all of them here, but the actual link would be secretenergy.com/ohms, and you can see all the integrations that we've put in so far. So we begin with sign up and earn. So you actually earn 360 ohms when you sign up to Secret Energy. So that's awesome. You can also earn ohms by rating content inside of Secret Energy, primarily in the directories. And to do that, what you would do is you would go to the hamburger here, and then you would go to the metaphysical directories, which is where I'm at now. And then you would access any of the directories here, mainly the metaphysical advisors directory and the conscious networks directory. And once you go into those directories, you'll notice that they actually have an area where you can rate each advisor that is here by simply clicking on the stars, and you only can rate once, but we do award you ohms for rating because we feel like it's a great thing to get the community's opinion on all of those that are bringing metaphysical messages. So you can do that here. We also award ohms for purchases. So when you make any purchase inside the store, then you actually earn ohms for those purchases. And then also the big one that I want to talk about now is actually share and earn, because we've created some pretty unique ways for you to actually earn not only ohms, but also cash. And how you would do that is that any piece of content on Secret Energy, when you scroll to the bottom, you'll always see these two buttons, share and earn, between Facebook and or Twitter. And every time you share content from Secret Energy, not only do you earn ohms for that, but in the event that someone actually becomes a member of Secret Energy and they do that underneath you, then you can actually earn cash if they make any purchases under our affiliation, and that actually happens automatically. So you will find share and earn buttons over content, and you'll also find share and earn buttons in products. And these buttons already encode your affiliate ID inside of them. So all you have to do is click them and then hit share, and everything is done. And as we say, this is unobtrusive marketing because it also allows you to share links on just content. And that way you're not asking friends to purchase things straight up and they think that you're involved in some MLM or affiliate marketing program. Also, you can find your affiliate link inside of your profile. To get to it, you would go to your profile, which of course is here. I'm on that page now. And then you would click on settings, which is here. And then once you get into your settings, you'll notice that your first line inside of the settings is your affiliate link. And so you can actually use this link and share this link directly. And then there's also an entire affiliate dashboard that you can get to by clicking here in affiliate, where there are more resources provided for you. But again, if you don't want to get into all that, then you can actually just use the share and earn buttons that are actually on content. Finally, you can actually go to secretenergy.com/portal and see how many ohms are in circulation currently. You can also check your ohms balance there. You can also exchange ohms for joules, which is just more of a saving protocol. And then also you can check your progress on overall achievements, because there are many what would be called hidden gems or Easter eggs inside of Secret Energy. This means when you reach a certain number of shares, logins, etc., that you do level up and you actually receive prestige points and you receive ohms. So your ohms will actually be higher in certain ways by achieving certain goals. And so you can actually see when you reach some of those stretch goals here on the portal page. Lastly, Secret Energy is a circular economy. We actually are seeing how we can continue to create amazing things that will allow us to sustain ourselves. And so if you wanted to take a look at that economy and see how others are growing, you can use the leaderboard tabs that are actually here on the side, and they will actually let you see that other users are not only earning ohms weekly, monthly. We'll put in some pagination there around that. And it will give you an idea of how much others are earning inside of the platform. And that's it. So wholeness and balanced vibration. I trust that you will have an opportunity to use these amazing integrations and actually tell all your friends and family about Secret Energy and the incredible things that it's doing, and that you jump into the platform and that you earn cash and ohms for mindfulness. Wholeness.